Still living in the same ruts? Learn 4 strategies to reprogram your subconscious mind. Many people go through their lives without understanding why they make the same mistakes, follow the same patterns, and live in the same ruts. They aren't happy with their present situation, but they seem to be unable to make any lasting changes. Are you one of these people? To change your behaviors, you must first reprogram the hardwired center of your mind, the subconscious mind. How does your subconscious mind work? The subconscious is the largest part of our mind. It contains all the messages we've received throughout our lives. The conscious mind is represented by the visible tip of the iceberg, while the subconscious is represented by the gigantic lower portion of the iceberg hidden from view. How does your subconscious mind work? You can't see the subconscious in action, but it certainly has a major impact on the voyage you take in your life. Here are 4 strategies you can use to change your mind and change your life. 1. Affirmations. Affirmations work to change your subconscious mind by using positive, personal, present tense statements to override the embedded negative thinking. By repeating these positive thoughts, you can create new pathways in your subconscious, giving it new attitudes. 2. Visualization. Visualization is the act of creating detailed mental pictures that depict a desired outcome so you can see success for yourself. 3. Hypnosis. Some types of therapy work with the subconscious mind, including hypnosis. Hypnosis works by easing you into a state of extreme relaxation. 4. Subliminal audios. You can use subliminal audios while you sleep. The conscious mind listens to music or someone speaking on one level, but the subconscious mind hears another layer of information recorded underneath the audible portion. Using techniques like these can help you reprogram your subconscious mind and remove the burden of the negative thoughts buried there. Imagine the freedom of living your life without the automatic dysfunctional behaviors you've had driving you for years.